NFPA 51B provides the essential checklist to prevent hot work from starting a catastrophic fire. It shifts responsibility from the welder to a managed safety process involving permits, preparation, and dedicated watchmen. Ignored risks lives, property, and can lead to major liability.
NFPA 51B is the standard for fire prevention during hot work. Any activity that creates a spark, heat, or flame, like welding, cutting, grinding, torchwork, and etc. Why it matters? Hot work is a top cause of industrial fires. A single spark can ignite nearby material or travel through ducts and ignite hidden areas hours after the work ends. Core requirements of the hot work permit system. No hot work should begin without a formal written permit that confirms hazards are controlled. Key requirements of this standard. Number 1. Permit first. A trained supervisor must issue a permit before work starts. Number 2. Clear the zone. Remove combustible within 35 feet radius of the work. Protect anything that can be moved with fire-resistant blankets. Number 3. Assign a fire watch. A dedicated trained person must watch for fire during the work. Keep watching the area for at least 60 minutes after work finished. Have a fire extinguisher and know how to sound the alarm. Number 4. Check equipment. Ensure torches, hoses, and regulators are in safe condition. Number 5. Inspect surroundings. Check adjacent areas like other side of walls, floors, ceilings for hidden risks.